So in this video, you'll learn how to use the flashlight on your Huawei Band 10. So the first step is to navigate to the apps drawer, and then you want to scroll through the different options until you find flashlight. Then select it. So now you can see once you've selected it, the flashlight is immediately enabled and it's set to a white color. So if you're either in a dark place or you just want to shine in a small dark place, then you can simply just use your band to light. You can swipe up and you can even choose to change the color. So when you tap on color, you can choose a different array of colors that are available for you to choose from whenever you want to customize the flashlight color. If you don't like any of the preset options, you can just tap on this option here that allows you to choose the exact hue that you want, and then just tap on the check mark and that hue will be selected. You can go a step further by choosing how you want the style of the flash. So you can have it flashing in a slow motion or in fast. So you'll notice if I select slow, it will start flashing in slow motion. If I choose to select fast, it will start flashing quickly. So it's completely up to you to decide if you want that flash added. If not, then you can just leave it at none and the flash will disappear from the flashlight. And so that's how you can use the torch or the flashlight on your Huawei Band 10. Once you finish with those customizations, if you ever want a quick way to access the flashlight, then all you need to do is simply just swipe down for the quick settings panel on the watch face and then look for the torch icon. Once you found it, just tap on it and now the flashlight will be selected. So it will be turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the light itself like this and it will be turned off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.